Hi everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti Garden Centers, and we're in this beautiful garden off-site, and we absolutely love this. But what we wanted to show you is there's a couple things you can do in sort of the late summer garden that you may not be aware of, and one of them is actually seeding your cold crops. Okay, so any of your leaf lettuces, any of your broccoli, cauliflower family, spinaches, definitely. You can still do carrots, you can still do radishes, you can do kale, what else? Anyway, so all of those cold crops you can actually seed in the garden, usually right around August. You can go ahead and seed, and then while the soil is pretty warm, you can obviously water, keep that area moist, and you'll probably get germination within a week or two and have these new crops that you can hold past our fall dates, and they'll get better and sweeter, and you keep on picking and they will be lovely. So we wanted to show you that real quick. Really all you need is a cultivator and your seed packet of seeds. I have broccoli here, and there's always a ton of information on the seed pack, so never throw away your seed pack. It'll give you your spacing, your depth, and all that good stuff. So definitely hold on to that. With broccoli, you're planting about, oh gosh, I had it holding an inch, like 1/8 of an inch depth. So it's really, really shallow in the soil. Typically they'll talk about using about 3 or 4 seeds in a hole and then moving about 18 inches away from the next, planting 3 or 4 seeds and then moving 18 inches away. They also talk about row spacing being about 36 inches wide. We really don't have that space in this garden, so we're gonna kind of alternate a little bit, do a little zigzag planting when we do that. And when they emerge, you'll do a little thinning just so you don't have a huge overpopulation of broccoli, okay? So we'll show you, and enjoy.